Welcome back. We're talking to Katrina Kaif and Farah Khan. And moving on, Farah, how important is it to be Bollywood's child to make it big in this industry?
I don't think it's important at all. Look at her. Look at Akshay Kumar, look at Shah Rukh. I mean, lots of outsiders have come in and done really, really well. Much better than some of the Bollywood children.
Okay, but Katrina, I mean, when you were starting out, did you think you were as fortunate as someone who had a Bollywood background, who had a family there?
I really don't have any complaints. I think I've been equally or far greater rewarded for whatever hard work you can say that I've put in. I've gotten back from the audience so much support, so much acceptance.
Only today in the newspapers, someone you discovered has said that she feels that Bollywood is not looking out for her. She's scared that she doesn't have enough Bollywood support. I talk of Deepika Padukone.
No, I think Deepika's done really well for a girl who came from Bangalore and had no Bollywood connections. I think what she meant was that she doesn't have a family here to look out for her because there's no one to like protect her.
Katrina, does it become difficult when there are these rumors, there are these gossip columns? When you go back to a family that is in the industry, they understand it?
No, I don't think that matters. If you go back to any family, I mean, of your own, even if they're not part of the industry, it becomes that kind of that space and that place of sanity. It's that place where nobody comes home when you go home to your family and questions you on a rumor, because everyone knows the truth of what's happening in your life, whatever it may be. And sometimes when you don't have that, you know, like there are many times where you go home and it's an empty house. It's hard. You find those moments. You're grateful for everything you have, but in those moments you're like, you just need some, you know, some calm, you know, minds who accept you just the way you are.
Okay, I mean, it's very serious. So let's go to Ahmedabad.
Wipe their tears now.
Yeah. Ahmedabad, Urvin Vyas has this question.
My question is to Katrina ma'am. Ma'am, as you have done many films with Akshay Kumar in past, so this experience was somewhat different or interesting or not?
My God.
Or not.
Really,
no, what if I just say no?
No, it's not. Moving on.
Then why do you
You know, I'll tell you why. Because in this film, I had the least interaction with Akshay Kumar.
Really?
Yes. I'll tell you why it is because for once, I have more songs on my own, and you know, I got my.
She got all his lines cut from the song, please.
That I did.
That poor man is blamed for cutting other people's dialogues not once. She has threatened Vishal Shekhar and cut off all his lines and called me up 10 times and said, please don't give him lines in this song.
I just said once. I mean, come on, yeah. it's fair enough. It's fair enough. I said this is my song.
The chorus should be mine.
He had one or two lines in the song.
You have more songs. You have one song.
Out they go. No, we also do have some songs together, but my main work, or I guess the offset work, the rehearsals, the preparation, really, he was not there, so it was the least interaction.
Like even in the climax, she's more with Akshay Khanna than with him, yeah.
Okay, we go to the next question, and this is again for Katrina.
Hi Katrina, myself Ashu Pragya from Bhopal. आपने इंडस्ट्री में कई खान के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन 30 मार खान के बाद इंडस्ट्री का सबसे एलिजिबल खान आपकी नजरों में कौन है?
That's a good question.
There's only one Khan who's not married, so I think that question answers itself. All other Khans are married, happily.
Kamal Khan. KRK, Kamal Khan is also.
Oh yes, yes, that's very important.
Okay, this next question is from Delhi and for Farah Khan.
Was it really difficult for you to choreograph with Katrina as she's not a professional dancer?
I sense some spite in that question.
Actually, none of the heroines are professional dancers. And I've choreographed her for her first Hindi film, which was Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya, Just Chill. And I know that she's a good dancer. It's not that she's a bad dancer, but she has to be choreographed properly, and yeah, like every other girl, if you give bad steps, they are going to look like bad dancers.
Yeah, because a lot of people have been talking about how it's effortless. The word is effortless.
Effortless always comes from a lot of effort, which has been done before.
So now we go to a question from Jaipur. It's my favorite one.
फराह जी, ये आपकी माँ बनने के बाद पहली मूवी डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं, तो मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगा कि मूवी डायरेक्ट करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल है या बच्चे पालना ज़्यादा मुश्किल है?
वाह, आई थिंक बच्चे पालना ज़्यादा मुश्किल तो नहीं है, लेकिन ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का काम है. मूवी में थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो गया तो चल जाएगा, you know.
Were there moments when you were doing this film when you were not on time to the sets because you were busy?
Yes, and even when I'm not busy because of my children, they are my staple excuse. I always play the 3 children card whenever I want to get something done. Like, do you have 3 children? No, no, I have. I had to, but no. They were with us on the sets, and there was a great love affair happening there.
Really?
Yeah, between my son and cat.
Okay, from Jaipur we go to Lucknow. This one is from this lady called Anushri.
मैं फराह जी से सवाल करना चाहती हूँ कि आप हर पिक्चर में बोलते हो कि शाहरुख को लोगे, इस पिक्चर में शाहरुख को क्यों नहीं लिया? वैसे भी शाहरुख बहुत फेवरेट है मेरा, उसी के साथ पिक्चर बनानी चाहिए थी आपको.
Sorry.
What else can you say?
I'm sorry.
So now we know how whether Farah wanted to answer that one or not. So Anita D from Ahmedabad should be the other person who says Sanjay Dutt is a part of the film.
Sanjay Dutt is narrating a film in this Tees Marka. So why have you selected Sanjay Dutt only as a narrator in this film?
He's done the opening narrative of the film, which is a very funny narrative. Now, you normally have a sutradhar who tells you about the character. So we had a very funny one in the beginning. And I don't know why, I was shooting with Sanju and I thought that he should just come and his voice is very recognizable.
Tell me, as a filmmaker, I mean, there are certain things that you put in the film saying that people will be surprised or happy to know, and then suddenly everyone knows about it. How does it feel?
What they know about the film is the tip of the iceberg of what is actually in the film.
Okay.
So if you like Sheila Ki Jawani, it's only, I think, 20% of what actually the song is about. The song is far much more than what you see in the promos. There are so many portions, lovely ones that we haven't even put in it.
Ones we've not put.
We haven't put.
There's some Cirque du Soleil inspired ring, The end of this song where I'm dancing on the table with everyone around me, Akshay Kaman lifts me out off the table over his shoulder. 6 days after that, the agony. I could not move my neck like this much also. A wonderful physio who I think also he works with the Indian cricket team. He had to come and, they'll press a point here and it will, release some muscle in the neck. It's quite complex. I really...
Or he just wanted to feel her legs.
Press a point here.
No, he did not. No.
With that, we come to the last question. It comes from Lucknow. This is Bhavra.
आपकी जो कोरियोग्राफी है वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट है और आपके में कभी भी कोई रिपीटिशन नहीं होता आपके स्टेप्स वगैरह में.
I don't do as much work as the other choreographers do maybe now. So each song should be treated like something special, and this year has been good in that way.
Well, thank you so much. We have more questions, but then it'll take all day. But
thanks.
Thank you so much, Farah and Katrina.
Thank you.
Thank you, Thapa.
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. Baby, stick a peanut on it. Money na money, koi duniya ye sari mere